So hey guys, this is Anshuman and today we are going to talk about that how the market can perform tomorrow and what are the different possibilities which we can see right now onto the charts. So let's begin. So first of all, let's look at the chart of Bank Nifty, and what we basically can see is there was a sharp selling and the market is currently in a range. Let me draw the range, just wait for a second, and here we go. So market is currently in a range sort of area and we can expect it to trade here for next 1 or 2 days, or even it can break out tomorrow because there's a bad news in the IT sector and possibly the IT sector can fall by 2 to 3% by tomorrow. So here's a level of resistance. Market started going up because of the news and it suddenly fell, and what basically we can see is that now at last it is in a range at the bottom of a sort of, not exactly, but head and shoulder pattern. So if the market opens flats, this is very simple. Okay, so if the market opens flats and it breaks this level, because it's a consolidation near a level of support, which is basically a sign of weakness into the banking index. But if the IT index fails tomorrow, what I basically have seen in a lot of time is that when IT index falls, there's a high possibility that the banking sector will go up. So there's a contradiction between the two factors of the technicals and the fundamental aspect of the market tomorrow. So what I'll be doing is I'll be waiting for some time and try to analyze what's going on by the price action. So what's my currently plan right now is, if the market breaks this level by the morning time and closes the 15-minute candle below it, it's a clear-cut sign of short. So we'll go short and we'll clearly get a range of around, it's 250 points, and just put a stop loss of 30-35 rupees and go for this. This will even give you 1:5 or 1:10, 30-35 for an option. Okay, so 50-60 points in index. And for the upper side, I won't be very grateful to trade in this area, this particular zone. I won't be trading in this zone, because what I basically see over in this zone is the market can be very volatile. Okay, so there's a level of resistance which has been tested once and twice, and there's a high possibility when market touches over here in the second half, not in the first half, because there's a saying in the stock markets that the market is started by amateurs and ended by pro players. Started by noobs and ended by pro players, somewhat like this. Sorry. So yeah, so we can expect the market to be volatile if it opens gap up. What we basically see from 2-3, just shush, go away. Okay, so what we basically see in that market opens gap up, and then comes down, gap up, then comes down. So there's a high possibility that market can open gap up, but because this is basically the banking stocks, so if the IT is falling in the last 2 years, this has been the scenario. When the IT index falls, the banking covers it. So it's expected that the banking stocks will open a bit gap up tomorrow and the market can be volatile. If it opens flats and break this level, it's a clear cut sign of shorting. So that's the plan for the Bank Nifty. Let's look at the Nifty right now. If you look at the Nifty right now, it's sort of zigzag kind of chart. But one thing which can be seen right now is this level of resistance. If this goes tomorrow, I'm expecting the market to trade between this range. Just let me draw the range, just wait for a second. Somewhat around here to here. This is what I'm not expecting it to go away from this range, or maybe even it cannot even break this level, because tomorrow there could be a fight between the banking sector and the IT sector, and these are the best levels to watch it right now. But this level is pretty weak. Okay, so this level is pretty weak. There's a double top kind of pattern formed. You look over here, it's a double top pattern, and then this level is tested once, twice, and it will be tested the third time, and most possibly it will not be tested in the first half. In my personal view, it will be tested in the second half. If it gets tested in the second half, there's a high probability that this level will get broken. How can I get this back? Okay, yeah, so I'll be looking at this. So I'm not very much comfortable while trading in the first half, because tomorrow the market can be very volatile. If it opens flats, there's the best chance I'm going to short the Bank Nifty index. And if you do trade in the Nifty IT, that I do not prefer because there's a lack of liquidity, but if you trade in that sector, there's a clear-cut sign of short position. If the market opens flats or a bit of gap down, if it's a very big gap down, there can be short covering can start, and you can basically get stopped out of the trade. That's my view for tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys, meet you tomorrow in the same show, the Anshuman Show. Thank you guys.